Hello guys, and welcome back once again to my English listening exercise. Today we're going to be talking about two more English words that are very confusing, that can be confusing. The two words I'm talking about is wonder and wander. Wonder spelling W-O-N-D-E-R and wander W-A-N-D-E-R. These two words can be a little bit confusing when you are using them in sentences in English. But as always, before we get started, guys, please like my page, share my page, and also hit that subscribe button for me. And as always, it would be greatly appreciated. So let's get started on what the meaning of these two words are: wander and wonder, or wonder and wander. Wonder and wander are easily confused because they sound almost identical, as they are nearly homonyms. Homonyms are words that sound similar, but they have totally two different meanings. Let's look at the word wonder, W-O-N-D-E-R. Wonder is a miracle or an amazement. To wonder means to want something, want to know something. For example, it's a wonder I passed the English exam. Here's another example. I wonder how old she is. Note that this is a statement, not a question, which is why there is no question marks at the end. It's a period. Let's look at the word wander, W-A-N-D-E-R. To wander means to aimlessly walk around. Just wandering around. To wander means to walk or to move in a leisurely or aimless way. Here's an example. I think I'll go wander off in the forest. Here's another example. We found grandmother in the park. Wandering. We found grandmother wandering in the park, walking aimlessly around, not thinking about much, just walking around aimlessly. Wander, W-O-N-D-R, describes a feeling of amazement, usually caused by something beautiful or remarkable. In this meaning, it is a noun. As a verb, to wonder, W-O-N-D-R, means to want something, want to know something. It is similar to the word ponder, P-O-N-D-R, or to feel curious. I wonder about this. I wonder about that. I wonder who she is. I wonder what I received, what grade I received on my English test. I wonder. To wander is a verb meaning to walk, again, leisurely or aimlessly away. It is similar to the meaning to stroll, to just take a stroll. You're just wandering around in the road someplace, just wandering around in the park. You're wandering around the neighborhood. So let's not get these two words confused. The word wander, and wonder. I wonder. I wonder if you understand this English exercise. I wonder if you understand this English exercise. Well, that's the English exercise today. Practice it often. And of course, guys, as always, please like my page, share this video, and also hit that subscribe button if you have not already subscribe to my channel so you can continue to get these video exercises. Thanks again. You guys go out there and have a great day, and I will see you during the next English exercise. Bye.